Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make toy organizer with cardboard boxes. Here I've made 3 of these in 18 into 40 inches to make the first level of organizer, and I'm going to glue 2 of these to create the base of the organizer. And then I've made 5 of these in this measurement to make shelves of the organizer. I've glued like 2 to 3 cardboard together to make it strong. And this one is for one of the shelf to make a partition. And this is for the second level of the organizer, which has just one shelf, and these are all for the bookshelf. And this is to elevate each bookshelf. I have used contact paper to cover all the cardboard. You can use whatever you have, like you can paint the cardboard, you can like cover it with contact paper. So here I've covered all the cardboard pieces, but I've left few of them just because the glue doesn't stick to contact paper as good as it sticks to cardboard. Now I'm going to build this organizer using hot glue gun. Initially I used mini hot glue gun, which didn't work. All the cardboard fell apart. So then I bought this full-sized hot glue gun, and this worked the best. I have already measured and marked where to glue each cardboard piece. So I'm going to glue accordingly. At first it felt like the cardboard piece is going to fall apart after gluing, but as the glue dries, it is going to be sturdy and strong. Here I thought the cardboard is going to fall apart, but luckily it didn't. Usually hot glue takes some time to dry, so let it dry completely and it is going to stay strong. Here I'm making elevation for bookshelf. Now I'm making a second level of the organizer. My camera stopped recording when I glued the bookshelf, and here I am making another cabinet next to the bookshelf. This is the cabinet next to the bookshelf. So this is going to be the final cabinet I'm going to build for the organizer. Here I'm using wooden cubes to make partition for one of the shelves. I'm going to glue these cubes. I've already measured where to give the partition, so I'm gluing accordingly. Here I have glued the partition to the cubes. And then the final step is to cover all the cardboard with contact paper. So here is the final look of the organizer. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.